Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to turn off all groups notifications in Telegram on your PC. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Telegram on your PC. Make sure you have the latest version installed. Step 2. Click on the hamburger menu located in the upper left corner of the screen. This will open the menu options. Step 3. Select Settings from the menu. This will take you to the Telegram settings page. Step 4. Click on Notifications and Sounds from the Settings menu. This is where you can customize your notification preferences. Step 5. Scroll down until you find Notifications for Chats. It should be located towards the bottom of the page. Step 6. Finally, click on the toggle switch next to Groups to turn it off. The toggle switch should turn gray, indicating that all Groups notifications are now disabled on your PC. And there you have it. You have successfully turned off all Groups notifications in Telegram on your PC. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Until next time, happy messaging.